15 genius tools on Amazon you will want to buy. Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum. The Eufy X10 Pro Omni is a true hands-free cleaning powerhouse, with an all-in-one station that automatically washes mop pads, dries them with heated air, and empties the dustbin into a large 2.5-liter dust bag that only needs changing every 2 months. This robot vacuum boasts an impressive 8,000 PS suction, ensuring deep cleaning on carpets and hardwood floors alike, while its advanced MopMaster 2.0 technology provides optimal mopping performance. With AI.C Smart Cleaning, the X10 Pro Omni avoids obstacles with ease, identifying over 100 different objects like wires and toys, even in the dark. The auto-detangling roller brush is a game-changer for homes with pets, as it clears hair without manual intervention. Plus, its iPath laser navigation ensures efficient cleaning routes, and the customizable AI Map 3.0 lets you set no-go zones and virtual boundaries. It's perfect for those looking for a comprehensive, intelligent cleaning solution. Dyson Purifier Big Plus Quiet. The Dyson Purifier Big Plus Quiet is the ultimate solution for purifying large spaces, equipped with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system that captures allergens and pollutants. With the ability to project air over 32 feet, it efficiently purifies expansive rooms. What sets it apart is its capability to detect and permanently destroy formaldehyde, ensuring cleaner air for your home. You can control and monitor air quality remotely using the My Dyson app, making it convenient to manage from anywhere. The filter, 3.8 times larger than previous models, lasts up to 5 years. It also offers a unique breeze mode that mimics natural airflow indoors. For undisturbed rest, its Do Not Disturb mode purifies silently with a dim display, making it ideal for overnight use. Whether you're concerned about allergens or air quality, the Dyson Purifier Big Quiet delivers outstanding performance. Segue 9bot S2. The Segue 9bot S2 is perfect for riders looking for a thrilling yet user-friendly experience. With a top speed of 11.2 miles per hour and a range of up to 21.7 miles, it offers an exhilarating ride that's both fun and practical. Its beginner-friendly learning mode ensures smooth and gradual training for riders aged 16 to 50. Designed to accommodate a wide range of riders, the 9bot S2 supports weights up to 220 pounds and adjusts for heights from 4'3" to 6'6". Whether you're navigating flat roads or tackling 15-degree inclines, the S2 conquers hills with ease. Its rugged 10-inch off-road tubeless pneumatic tires offer superior traction and stability on various surfaces, while the Smart Battery Management System, BMS, and fast-charging 335 Wh battery ensure efficiency and reliability. Certified to meet strict safety standards, the Segue 9bot S2 is a solid choice for anyone seeking adventure with peace of mind. Segue 9bot Max. The Segue 9bot Max G30P offers a powerful, long-range solution for commuters and adventurers alike. Powered by a robust 350-watt motor, it reaches speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour and covers an impressive 40-mile range, perfect for extended rides. With its ability to tackle 20% inclines, this scooter is built for versatility. Weighing just 38.6 pounds and featuring a one-click folding design, it's easily portable for those on the go. Rider safety and comfort are prioritized with anti-lock brakes, shock absorbers, and 10-inch tubeless tires that handle various terrains. Smart technology integration adds convenience, including Bluetooth, cruise control, and an LED display. The 5511 battery offers long-lasting performance, and its UL 2272 certification ensures safety. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, the 9bot Max delivers reliable performance with modern features. Gyro Warrior All-Terrain Hoverboard. The Gyro Warrior Off-Road Hoverboard is built for those seeking adventure on any terrain. With its sturdy 8.5-inch tires and powerful 700-watt motor, this hoverboard glides effortlessly over grass, dirt, gravel, and even wet surfaces. Designed with durability in mind, its UL-certified materials ensure a long-lasting and safe riding experience. A built-in Bluetooth music speaker adds to the fun, allowing you to ride while enjoying your favorite tunes. The self-balancing technology makes it easy for new riders to master balancing in no time, making it perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. With its UL 2272 certification, you can trust that safety is a top priority. For those who crave adventure with added style and safety, the Gyro Warrior is a top choice. Inmotion E20 Electric Unicycle. The Inmotion E20 Electric Unicycle brings a fresh twist to personal mobility with its dual-tire design, making it incredibly stable and beginner-friendly. Perfect for first-time riders, this innovative unicycle's lateral self-balancing technology lets you master riding in just a few minutes. Its larger tire diameter, 38% bigger than most self-balancing vehicles, allows for smoother rides, easily overcoming obstacles while offering superior shock absorption with its inflatable inner tubes. Designed for both fun and practicality, the E20 is compact enough to fit in a car trunk and even accommodates multiple unicycles for family adventures. It also features a high-quality Bluetooth speaker, so you can listen to your favorite music as you ride. Combining stability, convenience, and fun, the Inmotion E20 makes electric unicycling easy and enjoyable for everyone. Ninja Hard Cooler. The Ninja Hard Cooler is built for serious adventures with its frost vault technology, which keeps food and drinks at safe temperatures under 40 degrees Fahrenheit for days. Its premium ice retention ensures you won't be left with melted ice during long outdoor trips. With a 50-quart capacity, this cooler holds up to 80 cans without ice or 45 cans with ice, making it perfect for large gatherings. The innovative smarter packing feature allows you to store food without the need for additional containers, keeping it separate from drinks. The heavy-duty construction includes up to 3 inches of insulation, while integrated handles make it easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or beach-bound, this cooler ensures easy access to your essentials without opening the lid, making it a perfect companion for any adventure. Wakako Mini Presso NS2. The Wakako Mini Presso NS2 is a compact and eco-friendly espresso machine designed for coffee lovers on the go. With its small size, just 130 millimeters in height and 290 grams in weight, it's ideal for travel. Made with sustainable wheat-composed polymers, the NS2 reflects a commitment to a greener future. This manual espresso maker requires no electricity or batteries, allowing you to brew your favorite Nespresso original capsules anywhere by simply adding hot water and pumping to extract rich espresso with generous crema. Its double-wall design ensures thermal isolation, keeping your coffee hot while the outer shell stays cool to the touch. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or frequent travelers, the Mini Presso NS2 offers portability and ease without sacrificing quality, making every cup of espresso feel special. Ninja Woodfire Pro. The Ninja Woodfire Pro is the ultimate outdoor cooking companion, offering 7-in-1 functionality to grill, smoke, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate, all with the authentic flavor of woodfire. With a generous 180 square inches of cooking space, it can handle everything from burgers to briskets, making it perfect for feeding a crowd. The Ninja Pro Connect app allows you to monitor and control cooking times and temperatures for 2 different proteins, ensuring you never miss a step. Powered by real wood-burning pellets, this electric grill delivers the taste of traditional wood fire without the hassle of managing flames. With dual built-in thermometers, you can easily cook multiple proteins to different doneness levels, making the Ninja Woodfire Pro a foolproof tool for delicious barbecue and more. Gyro Hoverboard Hover Shoes. The Gyro Hoverboard Hover Shoes offer a fresh twist on electric roller skating, perfect for both kids and adults. These innovative hover shoes let you skate, roll, and even jump with ease, offering a top speed of 10 km per hour and a range of up to 10 km per charge. The self-balancing design ensures a smooth and controlled ride, allowing you to lean and glide effortlessly on almost any surface. With bright LED indicator lights, you can easily monitor battery life, while the UL 2272 certification guarantees safe charging and riding. Whether indoors or outdoors, the 3.5-inch rubber wheels and powerful independent motors provide stability and fun. Plus, the included carry strap makes them easy to transport, so your next adventure is never far away. These hover shoes are a must-try for thrill seekers of all ages. Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0. The Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 is a smokeless fire pit that makes outdoor fires hassle-free. Using advanced airflow technology, it eliminates smoke, ensuring a cozy fire without the teary eyes or lingering odors. Perfect for camping trips or backyard gatherings, it's lightweight and portable at just over 20 pounds, with a convenient carrying case. Cleanup is easy with a removable ash pan and base, so you spend more time enjoying the fire and less time cleaning. Crafted from 304 stainless steel with a high-heat ceramic coating, this fire pit is built to last for years. Whether you're camping, at the beach, or just having a bonfire at home, the Solo Stove Bonfire 2.0 brings warmth and ambiance to any adventure. Solar Bug Zapper Outdoor. The Solar Bug Zapper Outdoor is a powerful, smart solution for keeping your outdoor spaces mosquito-free. Equipped with a built-in day-night sensor, it automatically activates based on ambient light, making it hassle-free. With solar and USB-C charging options, it ensures you always have power, offering 10 to 12 hours of mosquito-eliminating action on a single charge. Its high-voltage grid attracts and eliminates mosquitoes effectively with minimal noise. This zapper is both cordless and versatile, allowing easy placement anywhere outdoors. It's safe for kids and pets, and its IP66 waterproof rating ensures durability in all weather conditions. The easy-to-clean design adds to its convenience, while the 2100 scorn feet coverage makes it ideal for patios, gardens, and even farms. Whether you're camping, hiking, or relaxing at home, this bug zapper delivers on its promise of a pest-free environment. Portable Power Station Explorer 300. The Portable Power Station Explorer 300 is your reliable power source for all your outdoor adventures. With a 293 Wh lithium-ion battery pack, it provides safe and steady 300 watts power via 2 pure sine wave AC outlets, making it perfect for powering multiple devices like drones, laptops, and cameras simultaneously. Weighing just 7.1 pounds, it's highly portable and recharges to 80% in just 2 hours using both a wall outlet and USB-C port. For eco-conscious travelers, it's compatible with Jackery's Solar Saga 100 solar panels, turning it into a green power supply. Whether you're camping, road tripping, or facing power outages, this compact power station ensures you're never left in the dark. Plus, its multiple charging ports and fast recharge capabilities make it a versatile and essential outdoor companion. Ebota Bluetooth Shower Speaker. The Ebota Bluetooth Shower Speaker offers a rugged, waterproof design that's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. With its IP67 waterproof rating, it can handle everything from splashes in the shower to complete submersion in up to 1 meter of water, even floating after a plunge. Despite its compact size, it delivers crystal clear sound with its 5 watts driver output. The built-in 2000 mAh battery ensures long playback times, and the 5 LED light patterns add fun, making it a great companion for any adventure. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it provides a stable connection with up to a 33-foot range, and even supports true wireless stereo, allowing you to connect 2 speakers for enhanced sound. Lightweight and ultra-portable, with a built-in hook and carabiner, it's ideal for everything from hiking to poolside parties. These 15 genius tools on Amazon are not just cool. They're designed to enhance your everyday life in meaningful ways. Whether you're upgrading your home with a hands-free robot vacuum or preparing for your next outdoor adventure with a portable power station, these gadgets deliver unmatched performance and convenience. Don't miss out on the chance to revolutionize your routine with these top-rated Amazon finds. Ready to level up your lifestyle? Click the links below to explore these amazing tools and grab them while they're still in stock.